You get wish. You get wish.
Let's go there. Mount your camera on the tripod using portrait. So you can decide to use either a chair, a stool, or you climb up to something higher, then you jump down like what you're seeing on your screen. So when you're done with that, that's the first clip. Then you save the video to your gallery, then record the second clip. Now remove the clothes you were wearing, the top and the short. If you're wearing knickers, you're wearing trouser, anyhow you whatever you wore, just remove them, clip them together like what you're seeing on your screen. I had to pin it and remove my shoe. That shoe, the kind of where I jumped down, understand, that's where I kept my shoe. So you pin the shirt and the knicker, then you leave it to fall on the shoe. That's just it, guys. So you, after this one, you can now save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now click on new project and then import the video you jumped down, the one you jumped down. Just, you will see that empty background, there's an empty background there, empty space, so you split. Now tap on the one you just splitted, then look for freeze. Look for freeze. Okay, look at freeze here, so click on freeze. Okay, now tap on the freeze, then drag it, just drag it a little, like up to either 15 seconds. So tap on this other layer here. Now look for overlay, tap, look for overlay, click on overlay. When you click on overlay, drag it to the beginning of the video. Now split and delete till when it gets to where the character wants to jump. Okay, now tap and drag the second layer to the beginning of the video, then you have something like this. Now at this point where the character is jumping, when he's still in the A, like this, like what you are seeing on your screen now, you can see that he's still in the A. That is when you'll have to split. You click on, okay, you tap on the second layer and then click on split and click delete. This is something, you will get something like this. So now click on plus, this plus icon, add overlay. Click on add overlay. Now bring the video you just recorded, the one you clipped the clues together, just bring that one in. Please take note, you are not dragging this one to the beginning of the video. This one is starting where the second layer stopped. You get my point? So now you are going to split and delete till when you get to where the person is leaving the clue in the A. I hope you are getting me. Now when the person is leaving the clue in the A is where you are going to allow to be. You will delete the rest, delete the beginning of it. So I'm trying to set it like this. You leave it here, something like this. You allow it. At this point you can decide to click on split, then you delete the beginning of it, like what you are seeing. Delete the beginning of the video. Now tap on this layer now, then drag it, just drag it backward. Understand? Remember, you are not taking it to the beginning of the video, so you have to leave it at the end of the second layer. Let it begin with this one. You get my point? If you get my point, tell me you get my point. So when you jump, this is how it's going to be. The clothes is falling. Now somebody might say, how do you, what about the person that's standing there, how are you going to remove the person? Now that is why you should watch the video to the end, so you understand it, so you get my point. So guys, at this point where we want to remove this person standing here, understand? So what we do next here is look for cutout. Now click on auto removal, that's you want to remove background. Now you remove the background, allow it to remove completely, understand? Just allow it to remove completely. Click on this OK icon and then tap on custom removal. You can decide to adjust this brush size to smaller or bigger, anyhow you want it. Now click on erase. When you click on erase, this is where you have to remove this person. Use your finger to tap on your screen, then roll it on the person till you remove the person. Just roll it like that. Make sure you remove the full body. Don't touch the cloth while you are removing it. Try to avoid the color entering the cloth. Understand? Because what you are doing now is you are removing the person. It will only show the background. It will not show the person. It will show the glass and the wall. You get my point? So you have to be very careful here, because when you make any mistake, if you touch the cloth or anything, the cloth also will be removed. So that is how, the way I'm doing here, that's how you should do it. So just keep on doing it, keep on trying your best. At this point, guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I want to use this medium to say thank you so much, because we've hit 100 subscribers. Honestly, I'm very happy. So if you have any issue, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you 100%. Understand? Also, guys, please don't forget to like and share. You know, the more you like and share, the higher we grow. So back to business. So guys, when you are done with that one, click on stroke. So this is where you apply stroke. Look at this. We are going to use this offset stroke, this middle one, the offset stroke. So now I change the color to red. I want to change the color to red. I don't like this white, so now the red is okay for me. You can decide to use any color, understand? Then I'll adjust it, the horizontal to 50. I want to keep it at 50, and so it will not show. So you see, you get the point. So when you are done with this one, you go back. Understand? So guys, I noticed one leg of my shoe did not show. So now I have to make sure it shows complete. If you have issues like this, just go back to remove background. That's BG. Click on custom removal. When you click on custom removal, click on brush. Then you use your finger to roll on the shoe, the one that is black. Just roll on it so it will turn red. Also, just roll on the shoe. That one alone is okay. You can now tap on the OK icon. Let's see if it's gonna show this time. Okay, now so we have our 2 legs complete. Wow, this is what we got. Honestly, this is lovely. This is nice. Now comment nice if you like it. So at this point, understand, you drag it to fit to screen, like what you're seeing on your screen. So let's see, look at it here. So we get it. So we've gotten this one, guys. We are able to get this one. So that is all you need to do. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on split and then delete this other part, because it's no more, we don't need it. You click on the other layer, you delete the ending part because we don't need it. Understand? So that is just it, guys. We are good to go. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share, comment. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I'll only show you all I know. So guys, please see you in our next video.